Hello, welcome to my channel Knowledge Galaxy. Let's start quiz on birds. Your first question is, what is the national bird of India? Option A, peacock. Option B, flamingo. Option C, parrot. Option D, bald eagle. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your answer is peacock. Your next question is, which bird lays the largest egg? Option A, ostrich. Option B, peacock. Option C, parrot. Option D, owl. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your answer is ostrich. Your next question is, what is the study of bird called? Option A, ornithology. Option B, biology. Option C, herpetology. Option D, pedology. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your answer is ornithology. Your next question is, which is the fastest flying bird? Option A, kiwi. Option B, peregrine. Option C, ostrich. Option D, parrot. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your answer is peregrine. Your next question is, which is the smallest bird? Option A, sparrow. Option B, kiwi. Option C, B, hummingbird. Option D, hen. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your answer is B, hummingbird. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification.